Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. After a 1.9% dip during the last session, the oil dollar pair closed 0.9% in the red. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 gained, driven by Tesla's positive earnings forecast and a decline in Treasury yields from a 3-month high, which buoyed market sentiment despite declines from some corporate results. Cardano is set to gain access to $1.3 trillion in Bitcoin liquidity for its decentralized finance ecosystem through a new integration with Bitcoin OS, a Bitcoin smart contract platform. The Canadian dollar edged down to an 11-week low against its US counterpart, as investors bet the Bank of Canada would need to cut interest rates further to bolster a sluggish domestic economy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 8 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.